I got rid of it all. Well, almost. So if you spend any time on YouTube, you've probably seen tons of these videos where they talk about, I got rid of it all, I sold everything, I own nothing. And well, it's not exactly true. And I'm going to be talking about my experiences doing this and how the realities of getting rid of it all is not quite what it seems. So let's start off with this whole idea of getting rid of it all. It's typically when people want to minimize, live a simpler life, and just decluttering a lot of things. And so a lot of times when they're saying getting rid of it all, they mean they're getting rid of certain things. And this is something that I went through myself. I went from having a 3-bedroom house to an apartment to basically fitting everything in my car. And now I'm back in an apartment again. And I didn't get rid of it all, but I did get rid of a lot of things. And so what are these things that we actually get rid of whenever we get to this point? Well, more often than not, as you get older, as you start accumulating more things, you don't realize what you have. And a lot of times you actually grow emotionally attached to a lot of things, and it's not really easy for you to just get rid of them. But whenever you make that decision to start minimizing your life, decluttering, then you realize that most of these things aren't really that important in your life. And in order for you to live a simpler, more stress-free life, then you're going to have to make the hard choice of getting rid of these unnecessary things. So after getting rid of these things, what happens next? Well, for most of us, whenever we go through this, you're typically going to have less and less stuff. But it doesn't always mean that you're never going to have more stuff. Which leads me to the whole point of people doing this. They're basically getting rid of things that are unnecessary and, most importantly, not valuable to your lives. And then because of that, the things that you buy in the future, you're actually more intentional about it. And you buy things that will not only be valuable to you, but it'll also add value to your life. So for me, a lot of things that I buy now, it's for me to be a better creator, having a creative lifestyle, and all of these things add value to me, add value to the people watching this content, and it just overall makes me happy. Plus, since it is things that I really took some time to think about, then it's not things that I'm just gonna forget about or just throw away and end up getting rid of again in the future. And so those are my thoughts on getting rid of it all and what it means to real people in the real world. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see another video where I talk about a very popular topic of how money can buy happiness, I'll leave that in the description area below or up here. Protect your online privacy and keep data brokers from selling your personal information by using Delete Me, the #1 privacy information remover service since 2010. Sign up today and get 20% off your first order. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.